Hey my gels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cute wash and go look using Cantu Avocado products. So this is actually part of their new line. I'm so excited to try it out and see how this actually works. They actually have an avocado gel as well as an avocado curl activating cream. So I'm going to use these two together to see how my wash and go comes out. I already washed my hair off camera using the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Shampoo as well as the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Conditioner. So the products itself, as you can see, my curls look good. I ain't gonna lie to you, they look good without any product in it right now. So I already washed it out completely. There's no conditioner in there at all. So they look a little decent or something. Okay, girl, anything else? So I did like the shampoo. It didn't feel very drying at all. It did a great job with cleansing some old product buildup that I had in my hair. The conditioner itself has a medium slip in terms of it. It did help with being able to detangle my hair. I did detangle with the conditioner in. So it has a medium slip in terms of the texture of the conditioner, but my curls definitely feel soft and they feel moisturized. So next step, I'm going to move on to the styling process. I'm going to use the Cantu Avocado Curl Activator as well as they have a gel that comes with it as well. I love when products already have a combo that's going to work. You don't have to worry about testing this product combination. You know this gel and this cream should work well together. So I'm excited to try this out and see what my curls look like. So stay tuned. Y'all, but this is just with the curl activator. Like, it's no gel in here, baby. This is no gel, baby. So it's interesting, like it almost becomes like the curl activator. I sprayed water in this section and then added the curl activator. It almost becomes like a mousse type of texture when it's mixed together. It's hard to show you guys, but it's silky, but I like that because it makes it easy to distribute. And usually mousses take care of my curls anyway. But it's just interesting because usually when it's a cream, it stays that creamy consistency. But then when you add water to the section, like I did before applying the curl activator, it actually became like a moussey consistency. And then of course I'm going to add gel right behind it to kind of lock in the definition. And if you find that you have too much of the actual curl activator on there, you'll see it start to become like super white. You can actually just drag some of the excess off and put it in another section, child. Don't waste it. Put it in another section. It's a little trick. Tips and tutorials with 2B Ruby. This is what I'm here for, y'all. I'm telling you how everything. Things you need to do to make sure your curls looking good. Yours. Okay, so now that the back of the hair is all curly and fine, I'm going to style the front. So I told y'all I'm not going to do just a regular wash and go. I want to spice it up with some cute, you know, for the people to see what it's like with 2B Ruby. So I parted this section off just so that way it can be separated from the rest of the hair. And let's get into this, Brutus. Alright, so curls are looking good so far. Feeling super juicy. I am going to let them dry completely, as well as let these twists dry, because this is not the final look. Don't be looking at me all crazy like, well, what is that? It's coming together. So I'm going to let these dry completely while the twists dry and the curls dry. I will come back to you guys and show you guys the rest of the styling process. So let's hope that the look that I'm trying to do comes out right for me, boo. Hey, the look that I'm trying to do, what? Comes out right for me, boo. Hey! Alright. So stay tuned. Welcome back. Alright, so my hair has dried more, as well as my twist, and I went on ahead and did a beat real quick. So your girl is back, okay? I will be doing a tutorial on my next video of this look too for the makeup, so stay tuned for that. But I want to show you guys exactly how this hair came out so you can see the final look. Alright, so first I am going to untwist these. Damn. Ooh, I'm gonna have to try a full head twist out with this product combination. Okay, that one wasn't really checking for me, but it's okay. I ain't gonna lie, that one was a little bit damp. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. But because I'm not wearing these twists down the whole time, it'll be fine. Now, if you were doing a twist out, I would say retwist that and let it dry, because it's gonna look crazy. Since I'm not, I want to show you guys what this is looking like. Like, they are defined too. These twists. I'm gonna have to do a twist out with this product, baby. Alright, so for the style, what I want to do is take these twists and actually wrap them around. You see it's coming together, right? I thought I was gonna leave you hanging like so. Give it like a little pom-pom look here. Doing the same thing with this. And the reason why I twisted it is because I knew that since my hair was soft and wet, that it wasn't going to give me the volume I needed just by letting it be in this natural curl state. So I wanted to twist it to give it some value to dry, to make these little balls look real cute. Okay, okay. Y'all see? Do you see what I'm trying to do? Alright, so now I'm going to take these Cantu accessories and place them around in my head too, just to spice it up just a little bit more. Because it's cute already, but why not be cute? That's too cute. That means extra cute. Okay. This final step of these, I almost forgot about these little areas right here. I got my accessories and I am laid and ready to play. What? Laid and ready to play. What? So if you did enjoy this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new posts become available on my channel. And if you aren't already, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at 2vruby so you can see some more behind the scenes of my daily life and additional content, because I'm on there all the time. Until next time, bye my gems.